Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this smart band with the iPhone. First thing you will need to do is to turn on your smart band, and to turn it on, simply plug it to a charger. Once you plug it to a charger, it will turn on automatically. And after the smart band turns on, you probably will see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through this list by swiping up and down on the screen, find the language you would like to use on your smart band, and tap on it to select it. And now, as you can see, we need to download and install the Mi Fitness application. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled on your iPhone. Then open the App Store. In the App Store, tap on search, then the search bar, and type in Mi Fitness, and tap on search. Then you should see this application on the list, Mi Fitness, formerly known as Xiaomi Wear. Tap on it, tap on the Get button to download and install the application. And after the application is done installing, you can tap on Open button to open it. In the app, tap on Start. You need to agree to the terms of use, so I'm gonna check this box. The second one is not mandatory, you can leave it unselected if you want to. Then tap on Agree. Here we need to select the region, so tap on Region and find the region you want to use. For example, I'm gonna use United States. Then tap on Next, and now you should see the health page. Now tap on Device, tap on Allow, and then tap on Add Device. Tap on OK, and we need to log in into Xiaomi account. If you don't have an account, you can tap on Create Account Now on the button right here. Or you can also use the sign in using the SMS if you want to. I already have an account, so I'm gonna enter the email and password. And click on, or rather tap on Sign In. Oh, we need to agree to the terms of use, of course, and tap on Sign In. And once you log in, you may see a couple of pop-ups about permissions and stuff like that. As you can see, we have the permission about the notifications. If you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch, you need to allow this permission. If you don't care, you can deny it. We can also allow the permission for the location. If you don't care, you can deny it. If you want to use your location, like for example for tracking your activities and stuff like that, you need to allow it. Here I'm gonna tap on Not Now. We can also turn on the sync. So basically, if you want to sync your workout data and fitness like that to your old devices, you can tap on OK to enable the sync. And now you should see the Add Device page. Tap on Add Model, scroll through the list, find the Smart Band 8 Pro. Once you find it, tap on it, and as you can see, the app detected our band. Select it by tapping on it. For some reason it was frozen, but once you select it, tap on OK right here. And basically what we need to do is it will redirect us to settings, and we need to scroll through settings, find the Bluetooth, and wait until the devices list fills in, and you should see your Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro on the devices list. Tap on it to connect to it, tap on Pair, tap on the check mark to confirm, and now it will appear on the list called My Devices. Once it says connected, you can go back to the app, tap on the device again, then tap on the check mark, tap on Pair, allow or deny the permission for the notifications, then tap on Done, and start on the smart band. And here we can also enable the automatic updates if you want to. for some reason the app is frozen, so I'm gonna close it and reopen it and see what's gonna happen. So let's close the app, reopen it. Tap on device and the band is here. So if the app freezes rather, you can try to reopen it and hopefully it will work. And here we have it. It says connected. The smart band is working, and that's how you pair this smart band with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.